This is the Golden Temple illusion. What we have here is a solid steel ball, an entry port, an exit port, and the temple itself. This is an ancient Japanese temple, and the glass is said to have a very special property. It is solid, but it's also one-way glass, and it's a one-way glass only for steel. So let's try this. First, the entry port, then the exit port, and now I'm going to drop the ball right through the glass. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, didn't go well. Let's see. Nope, the ball is still there. But I said it was a one-way glass. So let's try swapping. Now the ball will go through the other way. Let's see if that works. 3, 2, 1. And it works. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it works. And yet, the glass is still solid on both sides.